What's up, Mr. Austin? All right. A little bit of combat anthology going on. Hope everybody is doing good. What day is it? Tuesday. It's Tuesday, ain't it? Yeah, it's Tuesday. At least for a couple more hours. All right. I've been wanting to see some of this stuff, man. Combat anthology. There is some fire in these boxes. We're hoping there's some in this box. Absolutely. Some Mike Tyson, Ric Flair, Hulk Hogan, Mystico. Man, lots of cool stuff in this product. So, looks like our list is, oh yeah, I forgot that song. Did you see my girl Maxine has a belt now? What about that? Man, that was good for the heart. Floyd Money Way. Yeah, Mayweather'd be good. There's lots of fire in here, man. All right, so Kennedy with F, Brandon J, Brendan Stinson UV, Nick Brady K, Thomas Townsend B, Robert Thompson D, Thomas Maldonado A, Russ DeYoung NOQ, Lyle with P, Brendan Stinson C, Charles Michael Broccoli R, Michael Eves L, Stephen Conrad GHI, Nick Brady M, Brendan Stinson S, Stephen Conrad T. So that rounds us out. Let's go ahead and jump right into Combat Anthology. Let's see. I don't even know how these open. I haven't even watched it open. I've just seen pictures of hits out of this stuff. Fire stuff. What's up, Mr. Macioc? All right. I got a few more boxes of this. I got empty box. I got some boxes of the other PFL contenders, 4 autos per box. Right around, I think, like 20 inserts per box as well. So, got some of that stuff too. We'll do more of this stuff though, for sure. Let's see. I don't know what the... We're just going to roll through them. This would be a fun case. Ooh, Oleg Taktarov. I'm a big Oleg fan. So, Russ, if there's an Oleg Taktarov that comes out of here, I'm an interested buyer for sure. Hogan kabooms are flying out. That'd be awesome. Look, I don't think that Stephen Conrad would mind that whatsoever. I bet you. All right, here we go. Oleg, Frankie Shamrock, John Fitch, Oleg Popov, Marco Huas. Let's see. Nope. Kurt Angle Silver. Tell you what, let's we'll move. Let's move those to the back. There's Josh Koscheck, Kenta, Deontay Wilder, Matt Riddle. We got a Tom Erickson auto. Tom Erickson, Mr. Wrestler from NCAA into MMA. That looks like I don't see a number anywhere. Who's got T? Stephen Conrad, Tom Erickson. Five-point card for Stephen Conrad. Dachiva, Ivan Putski, the Polish Hammer. Alex Hammerstone out of 149. That is Stephen Thomas Maldonado. Blue parallel. We got a Quentin Jackson. Butterbean Combat Immortals. Kurt Angle. Rodrigo Nascimento. 6 of 99. Aura Charles Michael Broccoli. Oh, that's cool looking. Jake Hadley. That looks cool. I don't know what that's called. There's Eves. Jay is Brandon. That's pretty cool. We got Maury Smith, Combat Immortals. Paige Van Zant, Ring Royalty. I don't know if you've watched her do this slap fighting thing that's going on, but it's crazy. Let's see here. Guessing that is the auto back here. I'm guessing. We're going to find out in a minute. Money Mayweather. Ours. Rodrigo Nascimento. We did have one of him, parallel. Mayweather. Don King, the man, the myth, the legend. Ken Shamrock out of 125K. Nick Brady. Whoop. All right, Ring Royalty, Don King. Ivan Putski Classics. Kurt Mayweather, Don King. Usman. Hammerstone. Usman. Hammerstone. A lot of doubles here. Thad Jean at a 199. T. Stephen Conrad. Got Survivor Series coming up here soon. War Games, that's going to be a blast. Tom Lawler Classics. We got a Ken Shamrock. Man, there's another one. They could have used a younger photo, I think. Patchy Mix. Pedro Hizzo. Dakota DeChiba. Ivan Putski, and out of 49, 12 of 49, who do we got here? Quentin Rampage Jackson. Russ. And you tried to trade those spots off. There it is. Rampage. Would have been cool to see. Yeah. Yeah, we'll take it, he said. That's worth the price of admission right there. All right, we'll do a quick hit recap. Austin said, I knew I should have tried to trade. All right, we got Thad Jean out of 199. Alex Hammerstone a 149. Shamrock a 125. Rodrigo out of 99. Tom Erickson base auto. MMA Stars out of 49. Quentin Rampage Jackson. Some pretty cool stuff here. And we'll get more stuff. I got something coming special for this weekend. And we'll get moving towards that too. Appreciate you guys. What up, Kenny? I'm going to holler at you here in a minute, brother. Hope you guys have a good rest of your night. Be good, be safe. And we'll catch you guys here real soon with some more goodies. Have a good rest of your night. We'll see you guys later.